Welcome to episode 2 of part 1 of the setup demo for Amplify powered React web application. So what we've done already, we have built our simple React app. We have seen the hello message on the screen and we have initialized Amplify, but we have not yet done much with it. So what's left is to invoke authentication. Let's do that, and by that we will for sure invoke the Amplify capabilities. Let's end the show. So here's still our embedded Node web server running, producing the page. Let's quickly stop this, Control-C. And how do we set up authentication? I mean, I think every web application, a business database-driven web application, will need something like authentication. The internet is a bad place. What do? We say amplify add auth. Oh, so it's and we will be fine with default. How do you want the users to be able to sign in? We go with a username here. And let's see, what options do we have? For signing up, that means if the user comes and wants to create a new account, what does he need? We stay with email, so that's okay. Here are more options, Google reCAPTCHA, so we don't need that for now, all these. And that's it. So we get recommendations, because remember, whatever we do with Amplify, most of the things will happen locally. They are not yet pushed to the cloud. So we will do this right now. We will push this to the cloud. And here we get what is going to create it for us. We will get a new user pool. So here we are. Push has completed. You see here are the green successfully created resources. We want to check this. So here's my AWS console. Recently used Cognito. If you don't see that, you can also search for it here. Cognito. And here are my user pools. There are some I've already created in previous projects, but this one here 3 minutes ago, this is the one that has just been created by Amplify add auth. So you see, it still has no users. We will change that in just a bit. Back to our application file app.js. To invoke the authentication, we need to make some more changes here, and I've prepared that already for us. So what we're basically seeing is we're seeing a bunch of more imports with authenticator that is getting returned here to secure our page. We see something quite interesting is this file here, AWS exports. This has appeared here, and we look at this. This contains some configuration. You see, for example, here's our user pool ID, the user pool that got created for us. Some more things, but here's a warning on top, do not edit. So this file is handled and administered automatically for us by Amplify. So just for your reference, this is where the configuration is handled and stored for us in the background. So because the compile happens in the background, let's see what happened to the output in the browser. Oh, yeah, we are getting a login page here right out of the box. And there's a username password in that comes from Chrome. If I try to sign in with that, the user doesn't exist. Remember, our user pool is brand new. Our user pool does not have any users. But see, we have a create account tab here, and we can create our user. Let's do test Kai2 just to determine to have something different. And let me think about a password here. And to confirm the user, I need an email address for sure. So let's use create account. Or we can use that. We save the password. Now you see we should receive an email, and the email has a confirmation code. Now you see we got the email. So here's the email with our verification code. Let's put this in here. And we're logged in right away. What we do not have, this application is quite simple. We have no navigation bar. We can't even log out from our application. So this is something we definitely have to change. And that will be part of the next chapter of this demo. Thanks for now.